Welcome. If you wonder how to get iOS launcher on your Samsung Galaxy M21, right now I'm gonna show you how to get it. So for the first, I'm going to delete this launcher and I'm gonna show you how to download and install it. So where it is? iOS launcher 13. Okay, here it is. So tap here, delete. Okay. And we are back with this Samsung launcher. So I'm going also delete the control center. And right now we can enter the Play Store, then tap on the search, type iOS launcher, and you have to get this application from the Lutinf developer. Click on it, tap on the install, and right now just wait. Click on the open. Click allow, and right now tap on the control center, close this ad, click on the OK, and also we have to download this control center. And right now we have to click on the home button, click on the iOS launcher 13 and tap on the always. Click on the got it. And as you can see, our launcher has changed, and we are also going to activate the control center. Click on the allow permission, then just go back. And right now let's try with, oh okay, it's not working still, so let's open it once again. And right now it is working, so let's slide like that. And here we have also, oh wait, there is the request permission, so let's click on it, OK. And right now just tap on the allow permission once again, and I think that right now we will be able to use it without any problems. Yeah, okay, so right now it's working on a 100%, and that's it. Look guys, I hope that I'll help you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.